Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something super important, your liver. This powerhouse filters toxins, digests food and produces essential proteins that your body needs to function properly. I am going to share my 4 favorite super drinks that can help detox your liver naturally. Our first detox drink features the incredible turmeric. Turmeric gets its vibrant golden color from curcumin, a compound known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Just take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with a pinch of black pepper in a glass of lukewarm water. The black pepper is crucial as it contains piperine, which significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin in your body. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. For optimal benefits, try this turmeric drink consistently for 2 weeks straight. If the taste is too strong, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon to improve the flavor and make it more enjoyable. This small addition also gives you extra vitamin C, which can help boost the detox benefits. Next, we are exploring the power of amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, and bitter gourd. Amla is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, while bitter gourd help reduce inflammation and liver fat. Mix 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed amla juice and 2 tablespoons of bitter gourd juice in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink this 1 hour before lunch. The combination creates a surprisingly refreshing drink. Incorporate this juice into your routine a few times a week for incredible liver benefits. Sometimes you just want a tasty, refreshing drink that's good for you. Imagine enjoying a drink that not only cools you down but also gives you important vitamins and minerals. To make this drink, blend 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, some ginger, a handful of parsley, a few tomatoes, and 70 milliliters of water. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that can boost your energy levels and improve your overall health. This vibrant drink supports your liver's natural detoxification process and is a great way to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies. The beetroot and parsley help cleanse your liver, while the carrots and tomatoes provide a rich source of antioxidants. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or a handful of spinach. The lemon adds a tangy flavor and extra vitamin C, while the spinach increases the iron content, making it even more nutritious. Enjoy this refreshing and hydrating drink at any time of day, whether you start your morning with it or have it in the afternoon for a boost. It will keep you feeling refreshed and healthy. Are you ready for a drink that's not just good for you but smells amazing too? Imagine a warm, soothing beverage that delights your taste buds and fills your home with a lovely aroma. To prepare this infusion, gather the peel of 1 lemon, 10 to 15 grams of fresh ginger, half a green apple, 2 bay leaves, and half a tablespoon of cloves. These ingredients are not only flavorful but also packed with health benefits. Mix the ingredient with 700 milliliters of water, boil it, and then let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. As it simmers, your kitchen will smell wonderful, creating a comforting and healthy atmosphere. Strain the liquid into a cup or teapot, discarding the solids. The clear aromatic infusion is now ready to be enjoyed. This warm, spiced drink aids in digestion and helps your body relax. Sip it slowly, allowing the flavors to unfold and the warmth to soothe your senses. So there you have it, 4 incredible super drinks that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for detoxifying and supporting your liver. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and recipes.